Real estate lead generation using Facebook ads has been around for a while now. So now it seems that everyone has some advice on how to run Facebook ads the right way. And it also seems that you get one of two types of Facebook ads tutorials from people showing you how to generate real estate leads. The first way is by showing you how to run a Facebook campaign, but not much beyond that. And the second way is by providing a clickbaity title like 50 leads for pennies a piece, but there's never any proof. Have you ever noticed that? So as to not be that guy, moving forward, expect more videos like the one you're about to see, where I show you how to create the campaign, give you the exact ad copy, show you real-time results, and give you the final breakdown on the campaigns. Sometimes we'll get amazing results, and sometimes we won't. But I'll use both opportunities to not only learn myself, but also show you how to adjust things and fix things along the way. So again, expect these types of videos as we generate real estate leads using Facebook ads. But for now, let's begin. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. All right, let's get started. Today we're gonna run a lead generation campaign. And based off of the property, we're gonna get buyer leads and a ton of investors. So we're gonna get going. Again, we're running a lead generation campaign, but first remember that we are needing to click the special ad category as we are running a housing ad. We're gonna go to the lead generation campaign, and I'm gonna do something a little bit different this time. I will be turning on the budget optimization, so the ad sets will be controlled from the campaign level. Now, if you've run Google ads or YouTube ads in the past, then you know that the budget over there is based off of the campaign level. Here, it is not the case yet, although Facebook is migrating over to a campaign level budget. So just know that. So what that means is on the ad set level, you're no longer able, you will no longer be able to adjust the amount based off of the ad set. So every time that you're trying to adjust it, you would have to come and do that off of the campaign level. But that's not the case right now. So, but either way, I wanted to show you how to do that. We're gonna go with lead, and it's gonna be multifamily. Now we are leveraging the property in this case, which is it's a type of property that a lot of investors are gonna want. It's a type of property that people that are rehabbing, flipping, and buying and holding, essentially people that are into purchasing properties for investment properties are gonna be attracted to. We're gonna go with the daily budget of $20, and we're gonna go with 4 different ad sets. But first, we need to launch at least one. We're gonna select the lowest cost. All right. We're gonna go with lead. The first type is gonna be Dallas. We'll stay within 15 miles, and we will do real estate investing as an interest, and then we're going to go multi-family. All right, boom, boom, boom. Dallas. People who live here. Let's see the amount of reach right over here that we have. Real estate investing. 300,000 people. That's fine. That's fine. If we see that we're gaining a good amount of traction from this, then we'll be shutting off some different interests as more and more leads start coming in. I only want to advertise on Facebook. Facebook Marketplace, not yet. This type of ad is not going to work there. I'd rather go to Marketplace and get my leads for free, which is what I will be doing. All right. Dropped it down for the reach. That is fine with me. We're going to continue. Go lead. Did I put 20? Let's go back. Oh no. Okay, I did put 15. Good. So let me just copy this. Continue. Right there. Boom, boom. Add an image, upload an image. We want to use, which one do we want to use? Use that one. Continue. So this is a triplex in a very hot market or in a very hot area here in Dallas, which is Bishop Arts. It is just continuing to go up in price, continuing to go up. I sold a duplex a few weeks ago. It could actually be months now. Yeah, a few months ago. That was a very similar layout, except that one was a duplex. Here, this is set up as a triplex. So it's going to call out, it's screaming investors, which is who I'm going to call out right now. Just listed for sale, multifamily investment property in Bishop Arts. The property is presently set up as a triplex and located in super hot Bishop Arts. Click learn more for additional pictures, address, price, and walkthrough video tour. All right. We'll go fast. And I already set up the lead form. So just giving you a glimpse of what that looks like, and then thanking them on the back end, the privacy policy, and then you're all set. Check your email. As a reminder, whenever you do that, make sure that you send the actual information via email. So if they give you the wrong email, then it's on them. So they would have to resubmit their email in order to get the information that they wanted. So I don't take kindly to just getting wrong information. So that's a way to clean up your leads a little bit more. That way you're more susceptible of getting leads. All right, we're going to go to confirm. All right, now that we have that first campaign launched, we're going to come back to ad sets and we're going to duplicate it. Or we're going to test out a different interest. See which one is working for us. So we're going to go with starter home. The reach isn't all that big, as you can see, 15,000 people. Go to the ad. Paste this. Publish. Now we're going to duplicate this one more time. Go with renovation as the interest. Publish, duplicate, $52,000 people. Now that it's publishing, I'm going to let those run. All right, checking in. We're about 24 hours into the campaign. It launched 9:28 in the morning, October 30th. Right now it's October 31st, 7:46. I hope you can see that in the morning. So let's just do a quick review. We're checking in, seeing how things are going. So far we have 7 leads at average of $2.45. Of the 7, we have 2 phone numbers that do not work. The emails are correct because I see that they were delivered and that they've been opened, but the phone numbers, they are just straight bad phone numbers. It happens. They're not all going to submit their correct information. You can encourage them as much as you can, but at the end of the day, people are going to do what they're going to do. So we can see that the first time buyer interest, we have 2 leads off of that. Renovation has given us 0 leads. Starter home has given us 3 leads. Real estate investing has given us 2 leads. As I checked on this in the afternoon, this one came out swinging. Immediately, the first 2 leads came from this one campaign, and then the rest have followed suit. So this one, it's too early to tell. It's been about 24 hours, so I don't make too many changes unless I have completely gotten something wrong. I don't make many changes within the 24 hours, so I wait typically 48 hours before I start making actual decisions. But this one is on the chopping block right now because I do want to see leads within the 24 hours. So this one is, it's on my radar. It's on my radar. So we'll continue monitoring. That's pretty much all we have for this at the moment. So I'll check in tomorrow. Now, before we begin, please be sure to like this video so its reach is magnified and others benefit. Okay, so let's look at this breakdown. Today is November 1st. It is 9:18 in the morning, so almost 48 hours, a few minutes removed from the 48-hour mark. We launched this October 30th, 9:26 in the morning. So let's look at the breakdown. We, on the first time buyer interest, we received 2 leads. So all of the campaigns ended up producing a level of leads. This one became our most expensive form of lead acquisition. So the interest, the first time buyer got us 2 leads for about $4.34. And then the renovation interest got us leads for $2.10. Starter home, 4 leads, $1.66. This was the cheapest one. As they started coming in, this was actually the cheapest. It was below $1 up until the afternoon as I came back and checked on it. So these were before $1, but then more and more money started coming into this campaign, or this ad set, and it just increased the price. So essentially, since we're doing a budget optimization from the beginning, from a campaign level, Facebook allocates that money to various ad sets that are performing well. This one, the real estate investing interest, was one that started getting leads right off the bat. So you see there that it ended up with $2.97. I will continue running this ad. For the purposes of this video, you're gonna see it end, but I'm gonna continue running this campaign, and maybe down the road I'll do a 1 week mark, a 2 week mark, or see how it continues to perform to give you some updated information. So just let me know in the comments section down below if there's an interest in that. This property is one that is still listed, so I need it to be sold. So I need it to sell, which is the reason I'm not going to be turning off this campaign. All right, so of the 14 leads, I want to give you a breakdown so far of what we know. 8 we have not been able to connect with, just straight up. So 8 have not been able to connect with. They did receive the text, they did receive the emails. Now, of the 14, 8 we don't know about. 6 of them we do know about. 2 of them are getting showings. 2 of them have bad credit, so we would need to improve that in order for that to happen. They are not going to be candidates for this particular property, since this is more of a cash only type of a property given its condition and it being an investment property. So they weren't candidates for this property anyway. And then 2 need some money down. Again, those other 2 are not going to be candidates for this particular property. They're going to be placed in another property. So essentially we're talking about working with 4 leads that don't qualify for this property or are not going to be candidates, ultimate purchasers of this property. But 4 leads, active working leads, is not it's not a bad gig. All right, of that, well, those were 2 are showings. 2 of them, well, I'll continue adding. 2 of them have bad credit, and then 2 more, so that's a total of 6. Needed some down payment help or need to save for down payment. Again, those aren't going to be candidates for this property. And then of the remaining 8, we don't know about. What we do know about, of the remaining 8, 2 just gave us flat out bad information, emails and phone numbers. And then 2 more just gave us bad phone numbers. The other emails, I see that they've opened and that there's been some activity there, but I don't know much beyond that. So 2 are a complete wash. And then 2 more, their emails, I mean, they're working emails. Are they theirs or are they somebody else's? I don't know, but somebody has opened and has engaged with that. And then the remaining, we just have not contacted or spoken or made, direct contact. Yes, they did receive our automations. Alrighty, well, that was the breakdown. So again, if you enjoy seeing these videos, these types of videos, let me know in the comments section down below. And as always, if you found value in this video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button so we can talk again soon.